Smart Kitchen Bundle for iOS smart homes. A connected kitchen that works together. What's in the bundle and why it matters. The MEATER Pro is a fully wireless Bluetooth thermometer that lets you watch your food from your iPhone. It handles extreme heat, gives precise temperature readings, and sends alerts when your food hits the perfect doneness. It's ideal for anyone who wants to cook without standing over the grill or oven. The typical price is around $100 to $130. Putting it all together, how these devices work as a bundle. Together, these devices cover nearly every need: grilling, roasting, air frying, pizza nights, and even lighting your workspace. An Echo Show or smart display becomes your central control hub for recipes, cooking timers, and notifications. And the GE sink lights make cooking easier and dining more relaxing. Smart kitchen benefits. Why this bundle makes sense. The biggest benefit? Convenience. You can start cooking, walk away, and get alerts when everything is ready. It also saves space by replacing multiple appliances. And with precise sensors and app guidance, your results are more consistent. Everything works smoothly with iOS, Alexa, and your home routines. When this bundle makes the most sense, who should consider it? It's perfect for small spaces, busy families, and anyone who wants fast, easy meals. Food lovers get more control and better results. And smart home enthusiasts will love how seamlessly everything works together. Some tips for buying and setting up your smart kitchen bundle. Watch for holiday sales. Many of these products drop in price. Install the apps first and connect everything to your smart home system. Use your devices together. Air fry veggies, track meat with MEATER, preheat the pizza oven, and adjust lighting all from your phone.
Go to GearBrain for more information.